Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to do a video of volcanoes and we're going to do an experiment. This is my poster about volcanoes. There are 500 volcanoes in the whole entire world. The last big eruption from a volcano called Bicarbonate was in 1913. Most of the time, lava explodes out of volcanoes instead of flowing out. There's only one volcano in Hawaii.
And is there any other planets that have volcanoes?
Most of them do.
And so which one has active volcanoes?
Venus.
Venus, that's right. And Mars. Okay. So what are you going to do today?
We're going to do a volcano experiment.
Okay.
You want to move,
So
explode.
What do we need to do the volcano experiment?
We need baking soda. If
You don't need a cat
you don't need a cat.
for volcano experiments.
Because if you put them in, you can do food colouring.
So what do we need?
You need vinegar, you need soap to make all bubble, you need baking soda, and
baking soda.
I need this vinegar.
White, or you can use white vinegar. And what's that?
It's food colouring if you have it. If you want to.
So this is the volcano that you made when you was 3 years old, and we've kept it for many years and we use it for all our experiments.
Now we're 8.
Yeah, we're 8 years old now. Okay, so let's start. So first you need to put in some water.
Can I do it?
You can tip it in.
So let's tip it in. Let me see.
So
all of it?
Not all of it. About a quarter of it. That's it?
Stop. That's cool.
Okay. Now you need to put in some
baking soda. I want to do that. Wait, with this spoon.
That's a bit big, but yeah, you can try. Why don't you try tip it in? I did say get a small spoon.
Chunks. No, that's enough. That's enough. There's chunks. Let me get a little spoon. There's chunks. Yeah, you don't need to do it. Look. There. Yeah, move. Now we have to let it go down.
There you go.
Now it's going down. That took a bit long.
Okay, do you want to add some more?
Yeah, I got a little spoon this time, so I can use a spoon.
That's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
More?
It made a sound in the water. Jan, shake it. Yeah, it all goes down. Now, what do we need next?
You need more.
It's baking soda. What do we need after the baking soda?
It. Where's your little stick?
Ready for this?
Okay. Now you need to add your food colouring.
I'm gonna do it because I like the food colouring. Okay. Wait, how much?
So
If you want to make it really red, just add a lot.
about 2 spoons.
You're not supposed to add that much because no, just pour it onto the spoon. 2 spoons, yeah. Exactly. That's. Let me do it. Try pour. Okay, yeah, here's my spoon. That's enough. That's 1 spoon.
Yep. Another spoon.
Now we have to mix it.
Now, yeah, use
this.
and stick it down the chimney.
The chimney.
Chimney.
The volcano chimney.
It's kind of a mixed.
Whoa.
It's red.
Yeah.
Very red.
Okay, so now you want to add some washing up liquid.
To make it bubble. Wait, how much?
So
And can I do it? Can I
2
do
squirts.
it? Rihanna's.
okay, that should be okay now.
Should I mix it? Should I mix it in?
You don't need to mix it in.
I want to mix it.
Okay, so now let's see if we've put enough and it's going to work. So should we let's use that vinegar.
Just move the stick.
This is the test. If it's not enough of bicarbonate of soda, it's not going to do anything.
Not doing anything. See if it's bubbling at all.
Put it in.
Just try white vinegar.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Can we... Let's...
Well done. Here, you can add more and it will probably explode more. Whoa.
Wow. Right, can I add white vinegar?
Yeah, let's have a go. See what happens if you add white vinegar.
If there's a difference.
This is...
I don't think there's a
Oh,
difference.
there's bubbling more.
It
It's
came
still
out
going.
kind of red.
Yeah,
Mommy,
you needed more food colouring.
Mommy, can it still goes up if
Look,
you
it's still
smack
going,
it.
it's still
If
going.
you smack it, it's going to keep going up. Mommy, can I add some?
Yeah, you can.
Can we add a little bit of baking soda?
No, it still has loads. Look,
I'll just add it
you have to
here.
squeeze it.
You like this?
Look, I made one right here. I made
Yeah.
one right here.
Snap,
It's
snap.
going to explode here. It's exploding here because there's baking soda on it.
And
that's
put a bit more baking soda.
Can I add this?
Pure excitement.
Put this and now let's get the stick.
Now you're just making
And some
a
soda.
proper experiment of mess.
Stop.
Oh, careful.
Now it's bubbling a lot. Look, I should stop. Look, it's bubbling a lot now. It's white. Should we add some more?
I've not.
Don't
I
add
did
a little
any.
bit more. It's just going to turn to powder. Oh my! That's a lot.
That's it. No more. No more.
And then some of this. Yeah. That is cool. Look, it's purple. It's turned purple down here.
Yeah.
Let me see.
How?
How? How? Really? How?
What?
Really? How?
So when on a real volcano, what is it called? The thing that comes out.
First it's magma, then it turns into lava.
So what's the color of the magma?
Magma is glowing orange.
Yeah.
And then it has a bit of black when it's lava.
And where does the lava go?
The lava just explodes and then
No, I should
goes
go do that.
down.
That's just gonna,
Onto
that's
the
just
ground,
gonna
isn't
torture.
it?
yeah.
That's torture.
Okay, so that's the volcano experiment.
It's still turning purple at the bottom.
It's still going.
Look,
And
it's
it's still
really.
on here.
Still going. Okay, so boys,
Hit a thumbs up button. Give us a huge subscribe.
and we see you.
Next time.
Bye.
And comment if you want us to do any more experiments.
Bye.